Hi friends, welcome to another video. In this video, it's a collab with my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy. We are going to be decluttering some junk drawers and our nail polishes, and she has a really cool thing that she's doing about her nail polishes that you really got to listen to and watch. So after you watch this, if you haven't already seen it, head on over to her channel and watch her video because she has some pretty cool news about her nail polishes. I'm just saying, really cool news. And I'll put a link in my description box below so you can go right to it after this if you haven't already watched it. All right, you guys, I'm excited to declutter this stuff. I'm excited to show you guys how much I decluttered, and yeah, you know, sometimes we just have too much and we may like everything, but we don't need everything, you know? So I am currently in my son Sean's bedroom right now. That's why the background is kind of, yeah, preteen boyish and messy. All right, guys, let's get to work. All right, so I'm going to start with my dresser that's in the living room. That's the Zumba I like to do every morning. If you guys are interested or if you guys were curious, I got it from Walmart for like 16 bucks, I believe, and you get a bunch of stuff with it. It's really cool. All right, so top drawer is like video games and DVDs. It is a big jumbled up mess. I can't even open it. It is so full. So I definitely need to fix that. All right, and here is the second drawer. It is basically some extra candles and a bunch of Scentsy waxes and waxes I got from Walmart. It's very full. And then the next drawer, I have a bunch of, I'm trying to get this thing not to be blurry. There we go. All right, I have a bunch of other video games and just random stuff, random cords, random accessories. It's just a big old mess. All right, and the bottom drawer is a bunch of CDs, CD sleeves, and DVDs and video games. I definitely need to get this all in control because it is so bad. All right, I'm going to start with the top drawer. I have a lot of my workout DVDs. I'm just going to empty this all out and then I'm going to categorize it, and then I can sort through it that way and make it easier, and I'll show you guys the process. It feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. All right, so I'm about to show you guys my favorite game. That is Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. Yes, I'm a huge gaming nerd. I have not been playing video games as much as I would like to or as I used to, but I am definitely a gamer. When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then all right, so right here I am categorizing it in different piles: movies, video games, kids movies, and my workout DVDs. And then this way I know where to put it in the drawers or in this DVD case that I have. All right, so the top drawer, I'm going to have this one basket just to have like video game stuff in there, like the controllers and whatnot. And then I'm also going to keep my workout DVDs in there. And then I just put my big old DVD case for folder, or what you will, in the top one, just to keep it all like in one spot and nice and neat. All right, and now I'm working on my scented waxes. It was just a big jumbled up mess. I'm gonna throw away some of it, but I'm gonna keep most of it just because they all are still good and I love the smells, and yeah, I just need to reorganize it really, and that's all I'm gonna do. All right, now I'm into the third drawer, and this is just gonna be like a bunch of video game stuff and random things. And Riley wanted to show you his favorite DVD. That was Spookly the Score-Shaped Pumpkin. He calls Spookly Luli, and he calls every pumpkin, anything that looks like a pumpkin, like it could be a melon, he calls it Luli as well. It's so stinking cute. All right, and now to the fourth drawer. I am just going to reorganize that and figure out how exactly I want to have it, because I just feel like it needs to be a lot neater and less cluttered. All right, so this is the bottom drawer right now. I have a lot of the video games and computer games, and in this case it's some loose video games that don't have any cases anymore, and then I have some CDs right there, and I have an extra HDMI cable, and then some VHS tapes. Yes, you guys, I still own some VHS tapes. I think this looked so much better. All right, now moving on to the next drawer. All right, so here's the PS2 and like some video game stuff like the Disney Infinity game stuff and whatnot. All right, I forgot to show you guys the clip of the top two drawers, but they look great. All right, now I'm moving on to my grandma's old hutch, where it's basically like our tool drawers and just random stationery drawers. It just looks like a nasty mess, as you guys can clearly see here. So I am going to declutter this completely and make it look so much neater, and I'm going to show you guys the bag full of stuff I am dumping. I am so incredibly proud of myself.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
All right, you guys, and here is my new toy. I got the Dyson V11 Animal. I got it from Costco on special. It was only $400 and something. I'll put down on the bottom of the screen how much it cost, but it was on special and my husband got it for me. And yeah, I am so grateful. I love this thing. You will be seeing it in a lot more videos to come. But I love how easy it is to use the tools on it to clean the inside of this drawer. And this drawer really needed to be vacuumed. It was disgusting. So here I am reorganizing this, and it looks so much better. And then now here is the bottom drawer. Oh my goodness, you guys, there's a lot of stuff I got from my old job and some pictures and stuff that I made. I made that that fish picture in the very top that you saw. We went to this cute thing at the library, and there was some arts and crafts, and I made this fish with Sean, and his is actually I think on the fridge, but yeah, it was really fun and cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. All right, so right here I'm going to show you, I got these metal clamps. I'm going to put these in my crafting box so I can do some woodwork and burning them and just be something really cool, like farmhouse DIYs. I think it'd be really fun. I got those from my old job and I'm definitely keeping those, but in a different box or drawer.
We collide, we break down.
Alright guys, so this is how it looks now. I think it looks so much better. I really like it and how easy it is to get to anything in there. The drawers open a lot smoother too. And on the top left, I'm just having a box of like chargers and stuff. And then right here I have some tools and things I can easily get to that I might need more often. And then I have some push pins and pens and all of that good stuff. It's just easy to get to and it's just a lot less cluttered. All right, now moving on to my nail polishes. I did get rid of a ton recently, so I might not be getting rid of much in this video, but I am going to be getting rid of some. My daughter and I like to paint our toenails. Right now I currently have acrylics on, but I also like to use the Color Street polish. And yeah, that stuff's great. The leopard print nail polish that you guys saw on me recently, that was from Color Street. So that's really cool stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna go through this and pick out the polishes that I want to get rid of, and Riley was helping me, or not helping me, so I had to have him go into the living room and watch his TV show and eat a snack because mommy needed to declutter and he was putting a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't want back in the pile of stuff I did want. So I'm about to show you guys what I'm gonna keep and what I'm getting rid of. All right, guys, so I'm about to show you guys what I'm keeping. So this pile is the stuff I am for sure keeping. Like I said, my daughter and I like to paint our toenails, and so it's just something I want to keep. And then over here are the things I'm getting rid of. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so these two bags are full of stuff that I have decluttered from both areas. I hope you are proud of me. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more to come. Like I said earlier, head on over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy after this. You'll be really happy you did. I'm sure she's going to do a fantastic job, and I just love the way her house looks. It's so pretty. So I always like watching her videos. I really love watching them because her house is just so pretty. It gives me serious goals. I'm just saying, serious goals. Anywho, yeah, and if you're coming from her channel, you've not yet to meet me yet. Hi, I am Siobhan. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to keep ya. And yeah, give me a like also, because that always makes my day. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in our next collabs and our next videos. Goodbye, have a nice day.